In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to upgrade FIFA 24 from PlayStation 4 to PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have the Ultimate Edition of EAFC 24, known as FIFA 24, you will be able to have the game available on either your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. You can even download the PlayStation 4 version and play on your PlayStation 5. So, to do this, all that you have to do is, if you are using a PlayStation 5, highlight the game so it will be available here and you should see the PlayStation 5 icon after you download it initially. If you highlight the game, next to play game you will have these three dots. So go to these three dots, select them, and this will now open up a menu. Inside of this menu, what you have to do is choose Select Version. This option will allow you to choose which version of the game you want to download between the PlayStation 5 version, which is the default one, of course, if you purchase the game on the PlayStation 5 store, and of course the PlayStation 4 one. So essentially, you will be allowed to upgrade the game. If you simply download the game on your PlayStation 5, you will get the most up-to-date version, so you don't have to do this process. This is mainly going to be useful if you want to play the PlayStation 4 version on the PlayStation 5. Now, of course, it goes without saying, you cannot do it in the opposite direction, so you cannot download the PlayStation 5 version on a PlayStation 4. But regardless, this is how you will be able to manage through the versions of the game. If you own EAFC 24 through a disc, you will still be able to acquire the upgrade, but you will have to load your disc and go do this through the PlayStation Store. Regardless, all of these options will be available for you to manage, and this will work for other FIFA games as well. So FIFA 21, 22, 23. Just highlight the game on your library, then next to play game, go to the three dots to open the menu and select version. I hope I was able to help you on how to change or upgrade FIFA 24 from PlayStation 4 to PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.